Hello friends, today we are talking about how to solve problems of selection AutoCAD. This is the major problem which we are facing in a lot of engineers and supervisors in AutoCAD because of our misuse of AutoCAD functions. So today I am going to introduce the few functions which can make your life easy. So go to AutoCAD now. So I'll show you how to make it. In AutoCAD, see this is the some objects which are I made here, and these objects can be. See, I cannot select proper way. See, selection look like it is not happening proper way. So it make, because without selection we cannot copy enter objects from place to other place. Otherwise we need to move some objects from here to here. So not possible. How to solve it? Go to right. Just click on the right click on the mouse. Go to options and see this is the thing. Hello, press and drag on object. Hello, press and drag for laser. So what we should do? First uncheck this and check this one and go okay. Okay. What is happening? See, I can select proper way. So this is the problem we are facing in few of the AutoCAD drawing, and it will help you this videos. Make you perfect AutoCAD drawings. So now the option is okay. Want to do it again? Go to options. See these things. So play. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Nice day.